Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing two products by Göt2B, and they have this bee twisted line. And you know, as you can see, just looking at the colors, they just stand out, and they totally stood out to me. So I have their Curl Reviver Cream, and it is for moisturized curls and waves, 96 hours anti-frizz, and curl and wave curl and wave definition with no residue and no stickiness. So I'll be the judge of that. And I also got their air dry curl foam, and this one is for defined curls and waves as well. Flexible hold, anti-frizz, and again, no residue and no stickiness. This is formulated without sulfates, and this one is formulated without parabens and sulfates, but I guess they both still have silicones, and this probably has parabens maybe. So anyway, enough of that, let's get started. So I will be starting out with the Curl Reviver Cream, and the directions say to distribute it evenly throughout towel dried hair. So let's jump right in, and I can already smell it just from here. Maybe, I don't know if it looks like it's closer, but it smells pretty good. It has like a berry scent to it. Anyway, it has a very creamy texture, and it's not too thin, which I like that. Yeah, it feels nice and smooth and creamy, like a medium consistency in regards to thickness. So let's jump right in. I might have got too much, but who knows? I'm heavy-handed, so. So right off the bat, I do feel like it is already kind of defining my curls. And okay, it doesn't feel special. Like I don't feel any extra slip or anything like that going through my hair, but I can see that it is defining my curls. Like I put only a little bit on this little section here, and it already looks a little bit better than it did before, so that's good, I guess. Okay, so moving on, I am going to be going in with the Air Dry Curl Foam. So as you can see, it is very foamy, and it's also already like disintegrating in my hands. Wow. So that just fell, but look, it just turned into liquid. Like there is no more mousse. I don't even know, how am I supposed to get this in my hair? Like that's annoying. It's literally all over my counter. So I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit. You see that? Like, how can you call this foam? Like, yes, it comes out as foam, but it doesn't even nearly stay like foam. So you can get an idea of the texture just from that, and you can get an idea that I'm a little bit irritated. The smell, it actually smells like oranges. So it smells nice, but the consistency is not great. Like even somebody that didn't have like natural or curly hair, that's not, I don't even, let me just, So I guess you could put it directly in your hair, and that's probably the best way to get this in your hair, because as you can see, it is just It's a mess. I don't like it already. I don't like this texture. So let's hope that this combination just works well. But as of right now, I'm not a fan. Okay, so I have the products evenly distributed throughout my hair as best I could with this funky textured mousse foam. I did the best I could with what I had. And here's what my hair is looking like. I'm not sure, honestly, how this is gonna turn out. It looks all right. I'm not sure. The definition, there is a little bit of definition. I feel like my hair is still gonna be frizzy. I don't think that this is as anti-frizz as it claims, 96 hours. So I would expect first day to be like frizz free or very minimal frizz. But we'll see. It feels like it might still be frizzy, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry and I will be back to show you what it's looking like. All right, guys, so I am back and my hair is 100% dry, and at first glance, it doesn't look horrible, but I feel like you can't see it as great as I can just looking at it in person and in the mirror, but I'm gonna try to give you a detailed look at this. And I haven't really fluffed it out much. You can see that there definitely is some shrinkage there, which, I mean, that's the life of a natural, right? But let's get up close. So, ooh, yeah, I hope that you guys can see this as I'm seeing it, but there's definitely a lot of frizz going on. So not great, but I don't want to be, totally a negative Nancy, but, there's definition here. I don't know about that 96-hour anti-frizz because, like I said, the frizz that's here, it's not great. And definitely frizz pockets. Not, it's frizz and not in the best way. It's not horrible, but I feel like looking at it, I don't like the way that it is. It's not like your typical frizz. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but that's like what it's looking like in just like little areas, and I don't like that. I feel like, the definition, it's fine, and this would last a couple of days, but I mean, would I really want it to? Because honestly, the way that it feels, it doesn't feel moisturized. It feels dry for sure. And it could be first day because of the mousse, if that's what we're still calling it. But it could be because of the mousse. Some mousses give a little crunch, but I don't know, it feels kind of dry, not gonna lie. So I probably wouldn't even try to make it last throughout the week because I'm not trying to have my hair feeling this gross. Ugh. I don't know, like I need to scrunch through it just to kind of get rid of this cast. So let me just try to do that really quick. So I feel like getting rid of the cast definitely helps a little bit, especially with the frizz. It just kind of adds to the volume now, but like I said, I don't feel like this is gonna last very long. I'm not a fan. Just gonna say it, gonna put it out there, I'm not a fan. So, the reality, I didn't get the moisture. I was not expecting to get really much moisture out of it. I was expecting to get the definition and the anti-frizz. The fact that not even my first day, like the frizz is not great for first day, and especially for something claiming 96 hours anti-frizz. So there's that. In conclusion, my final thoughts, my final review, I think it's pretty obvious These are gonna be a no for me. I just don't feel like these worked well for my hair, period. I personally would not recommend them, especially this mousse. I hated, and hate is a strong word. I hated the way that this came out. Like, it wasn't even really a mousse or a foam. It just disintegrated into liquid, and I really did not like that. That really left a bad taste in my mouth. I wouldn't recommend them to anybody that I personally know. But you know, everybody's hair is different and everybody's hair reacts to things differently. You know, you also have to keep in mind, I have textured hair, I have processed hair, you know, my hair, I dye my hair blonde. So maybe that could be a factor. It is what it is. Anyway, that concludes my review on those two products. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, if you made it this far, I mean, come on, you might as well subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to leave comments on your thoughts on the video and maybe what you'd like to see more of or what you want to see next. I am open to suggestions. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.